Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jimmy. It's so great to be here with you all today.
Absolutely, Jimmy. Today we have a super important and interesting topic for our lovely listeners. We're going to talk about feelings.
Yes, feelings. It's something we all have, right? Happy, sad, excited, all of them. And learning to talk about them in English is a fantastic step in your language journey.
It really is. Before we jump in, a quick friendly reminder to everyone watching or listening, please share this episode with your friends who are learning English. Subscribe to Mr. English Channel if you haven't already, and hit that like button. It really helps us a lot, and we love seeing your comments too. Let us know what you think.
Okay, Jimmy, let's start with why talking about our feelings is so important. Sometimes it can feel a little bit difficult, right?
Yes, it can. But it's so good for us, Anna. When we talk about how we feel, it helps our mental health. It's like letting out a little bit of what's inside.
Exactly. It's not good to keep everything inside. And when we express our feelings, it helps us with communication. People understand us better.
That's true. If I'm feeling happy and I tell you, Anna, I'm so happy today, you understand me better. And it helps our relationships too, with friends, with family.
Oh, totally. If I'm feeling a bit sad and I tell my friend, I'm feeling sad today, my friend can say, Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Can I help? It builds a stronger connection. It's like a little bridge between people.
That's a great way to put it, Anna. So, talking about feelings is good for our mind, good for understanding each other, and good for our friendships.
Wow. Yes. Wow. Now, for our amazing English learners, let's go over some basic words for feelings. These are words you hear every day.
Absolutely. Let's start with some easy ones. The first one everyone knows is happy.
Yes, when you smile, when you laugh, you are happy. Like right now, I'm feeling happy talking to you, Jimmy.
Me too, Anna. Then we have sad.
When you cry, when you feel a bit down.
Oh, yeah. Like when it rains all day and you wanted to go outside, you might feel a bit sad, right?
And then there's angry. When you feel hot, maybe you want to shout a little.
Like when you miss the bus, you might feel a little angry.
Oh, yes, that's a good one. And what about tired?
When you want to sleep.
Oh, I feel tired sometimes after a long day of talking on podcasts. Just kidding. But seriously, after a long day, you feel tired.
Good one. And excited. When something good is going to happen, like before a holiday trip, you feel so excited. Yay!
Exactly. And scared.
When something makes you feel a bit afraid, like watching a spooky movie, you might feel scared.
Or when you hear a strange noise at night.
And finally, for our basic list, nervous.
When you have a big test or you have to speak in front of people.
I remember feeling nervous before my first podcast, but now I feel happy. See, practice makes perfect.
Now, a very important tip for our listeners, the difference between I feel and I am.
Oh, yes, this is very useful. When we talk about feelings, we often say, I feel happy or I feel sad.
That's right. It describes your current state, how you are feeling right now.
But you can also say, I am happy or I am sad. Both are correct.
Yes, so you can say I feel tired or I am tired. Both mean the same thing. Don't worry too much about the difference at this stage. Just pick one and use it.
Perfect advice, Ginny. Okay, now let's try some more specific feelings. These words can help you describe how you feel in more detail.
Ooh, I like this. First, frustrated. This is when you try to do something, but it's very difficult and it's not working.
Yes, like when you try to put together some furniture and the instructions are unclear, you might feel very frustrated.
Exactly. And overwhelmed. This is when you have too much to do, too many things on your mind, and you feel like you can't manage it all.
Oh, that's a common one for students, right? Too much homework, too many tests. You might feel overwhelmed.
Exactly. And anxious. This is similar to nervous, but maybe a bit stronger. It's when you worry a lot about something.
Maybe something that hasn't happened yet, like before a very important job interview. You might feel very anxious about it.
Your stomach might feel a bit funny.
Yes. And proud, this is a good feeling.
When you do something well, or someone you love does something well, you feel proud.
Like when you finish a big project, you feel so proud of your work.
Yay, I did it!
Or when your child learns to ride a bike, you feel so proud.
Aw, that's a lovely feeling.
And lonely. This is when you feel alone.
Even if there are people around, you just wish you had someone to talk to.
Yes, sometimes we all feel a little lonely. It's okay to feel that way.
Absolutely.
Then we have confident. This is when you believe in yourself and your abilities.
You feel strong and ready. Like when you know the answer in class and you feel confident to raise your hand.
Yes. And finally, for this section, disappointed.
This is when something you hoped for doesn't happen and you feel a bit sad because of it.
Oh, like when your favorite team loses the game, you feel very disappointed.
Yes, that's a good example.
Now let's talk about how to describe how strong a feeling is. We can say a bit sad or completely devastated.
This is super useful. A bit sad means a little sad, like if your ice cream falls on the ground.
Oh no, so sad.
But completely devastated means very, very sad, like if you lose something very important to you.
Exactly. Or a little bit nervous versus extremely anxious. Extremely means very, very.
So you can say, I bit tired or extremely anxious. So you can add words like a bit, a little, very, really, completely, or extremely to show how strong your feeling is.
It adds more color to your sentences. Fantastic.
Now, let's have some fun with English idioms.
I love idioms. They make English sound so natural.
The first one is, I'm on cloud nine.
Cloud nine. This means you are extremely happy, like you are floating in the sky.
My vacation starts tomorrow. I'm on cloud nine.
That's a great feeling.
Then, I'm feeling under the weather. This one means you are feeling a bit sick.
I can't come to the party tonight. I'm feeling under the weather.
Next, he's walking on eggshells.
This means being very careful not to upset someone.
And finally, it broke my heart.
This means something made you very, very sad or deeply disappointed.
These idioms take practice, but they are very useful.
Now, how do we ask others how they are feeling?
A simple one is, how are you?
Or, how are you really feeling?
Or, do you want to talk about it?
Or, is something on your mind?
These are gentle and caring questions.
And how do we respond? With empathy.
You can say, that must be really hard.
Or, I understand how you feel.
Or, I'm here for you.
Or, thanks for sharing that with me.
These phrases build strong relationships.
Now let's imagine real-life situations.
After a bad day at work, you might say, I'm feeling tired and a bit frustrated today.
Or, I'm feeling overwhelmed.
Before a trip, you can say, I'm so excited.
Or, I'm on cloud nine.
After a breakup, you might say, it broke my heart.
Or, I'm really disappointed.
Now let's talk about feelings at work.
You can say, I'm feeling burned out.
Or, I need a mental break.
These are polite and professional.
Different cultures express emotions differently.
Learning English also means learning culture.
Expressing feelings builds trust.
Don't be shy to express yourself.
Final tips?
Keep a feelings journal in English.
And describe your day with emotional words.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
We're proud of you.
Thank you for joining us today.
Subscribe, like, and share.
Leave a comment and tell us how you feel today.
See you next time.
Bye.